Well, a barn isn't something you'd expect to see in downtown Jacksonville, much less on a campus of a medical facility. But in a first-of-its-kind program, Nemours Children's Health is taking a big step in animal-assisted therapy. First Coast News' Katie Jeffries shows us more.
It's not something you would expect to see. But it's no dog and pony show.
Good girl.
These animals serve a very serious purpose and are a part of the ADAPT program started by Jennifer Pfeiffer.
We have hay in there and everything, and that's my other horse over there.
ADAPT stands for Assisted Dog and Pony Therapy and features 3 mini horses, Gypsy, Taco, and Buck. The horses are very popular visiting patients at Nemours, and Jennifer has worked for years to expand the ADAPT program to find more ways to make the horses accessible to be aids in therapy.
Our goal in therapy is to help you deal with a certain situation, a certain illness, or help better with a coping strategy.
3 small barns and enclosures were built behind Nemours for the horses to work with an assigned psychologist and patients as part of its expanding program. The mini horses don't live in these barns, though. They do go home with Jennifer at night. Nemours just finished a pilot program using volunteer staff members, walking them through the 6-week program for pediatric patients that begins with step 1, a simple introduction.
The second step is going to be grooming, and then leading, and then eventually go to obstacles.
Dr. Lisa Schilling, a pediatric psychologist at Nemours, says something as simple as leading a horse can give a child confidence.
Certainly our patients are facing many obstacles of their own, so being able to help an animal through it and see that they can be successful in maneuvering something like that can also help with their ability to feel successful in their treatment.
Dr. Sharon Leonard volunteered to be a part of the pilot program for staff, and she says she can see this program growing because children are very responsive when working with animals, especially mini horses.
So it's sort of a magical moment, if you would, a little bit different type of therapy besides your traditional sort of therapy with a dog. So I think it brings a little bit more magic to the interaction.
Magic, mini horses, and medicine, a combination that could prove to be just what the doctor ordered.
So there is research out there, but it's very small. So with us partnering with UNF and Nemours, we're trying to be the center of excellence for research.
In Jacksonville, Katie Jeffries, First Coast News, on your side.
Katie thinks that's cool, isn't it? The ADAPT program at Nemours is all donor funded. So if you'd like to contribute, we have a link to the story on firstcoastnews.com. Nemours says it is looking to start the pediatric program in February of next year.